Experience unparalleled gaming with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Extreme Edition. This powerhouse ensures seamless gameplay, delivering top-tier performance that keeps you ahead of the competition. Perfect for gamers who demand the best. Stay cool under pressure with our innovative liquid metal cooling. Combined with a high-speed fan, it dissipates heat efficiently, ensuring your device runs smoothly during intense gaming sessions without overheating. Capture every moment with precision using dual 50-megapixel cameras. Whether wide or ultra-wide shots, enjoy vibrant, detailed photos. Plus, a discreet 16-megapixel under-display selfie camera ensures flawless selfies anytime. OnePlus 13 runs on the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with a 6.82-inch BOE-X2 OLED display. The LTPO panel supports 1440p resolution, ensuring excellent visibility. This model offers a 50-megapixel Hasselblad camera trio with OIS, a 3x periscope lens for zoom, and a 15mm ultrawide with macro capabilities. Featuring IP69 protection against high-pressure liquids and steam, silicon-carbon battery with 100 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging for fast, lasting power. When it comes to size, the Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro takes the lead with its length of 163.4 millimeters, slightly longer than the OnePlus 13 at 162.9 millimeters. This extra length might provide a more immersive gaming experience, but it also means a bulkier feel in the hand. In terms of weight, the Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro weighs 229 grams, making it noticeably heavier than the OnePlus 13, which is just 210 grams. This lighter feel of the OnePlus 13 could enhance daily usability, especially for extended periods. Both devices boast impressive displays, but the Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro edges out with a larger 6.85 inches screen compared to the OnePlus 13's 6.82 inches. This slight difference can make a big impact when gaming or watching videos, providing a more expansive view. The OnePlus 13 shines with a higher resolution of 1440 by 368 pixels, delivering stunning clarity and detail. In contrast, the Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro offers a resolution of 1216 by 2688 pixels. If you value sharp visuals, the OnePlus 13 is the clear winner here. Both smartphones feature a triple camera setup, but the OnePlus 13 includes a periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, which is a game-changer for photography enthusiasts. The Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro, while impressive with its dual 50-megapixel lenses, lacks this optical zoom capability. When it comes to video recording, both devices support stunning 8K video at 30 FPS. However, the OnePlus 13 offers additional features like Auto HDR and Dolby Vision, enhancing your video quality significantly. The Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro, while capable, doesn't quite match this level of sophistication. In the realm of selfies, the OnePlus 13 takes the crown with a 32-megapixel front camera, ensuring your self-portraits are sharp and vibrant. The Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro, with its 16-megapixel camera, simply can't compete with this level of detail. The Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro boasts a massive 7,050 mAh battery, providing ample power for long gaming sessions. In contrast, the OnePlus 13, with its 6,000 mAh battery, may require more frequent charging during intensive use. The Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro features an AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, perfect for gamers seeking smooth visuals. Meanwhile, the OnePlus 13 offers a LTPO AMOLED display at 120Hz, which is still impressive but slightly less fluid for high-paced gaming. The Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro includes unique features like pressure-sensitive zones and a built-in cooling fan, catering specifically to gamers who need performance under pressure. The OnePlus 13 offers an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, making it more durable for everyday use. Both devices offer similar memory options, with configurations up to 1 TB and 24 GB RAM. However, the Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro's gaming-focused design may make better use of these specs for resource-intensive tasks. Both smartphones are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring top-notch performance across the board. This means whether you choose the Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro or the OnePlus 13, you're in for a speedy experience. The Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro features cutting-edge display technology with a 1.5K infinity display and PWM dimming, which is excellent for reducing eye strain. The OnePlus 13, on the other hand, includes eye protection mode and sun display technology, making it versatile for various lighting conditions. Both devices boast premium builds, with the Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro featuring an aviation aluminum frame and glass back, while the OnePlus 13 utilizes crystal shield for added durability. This makes both phones not only stylish but robust. Price-wise, the Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro is positioned around $750, while the OnePlus 13 ranges from $600 to $900. Depending on your budget, the OnePlus 13 offers a more flexible pricing option, making it an attractive choice for many. Both models are equipped with the same powerful Octa-core CPU, ensuring that whether you're gaming on the Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro or multitasking on the OnePlus 13, performance will be top-notch. While the Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro has a larger battery capacity, the OnePlus 13's efficient power management means both devices can deliver impressive longevity. It ultimately depends on your usage habits for which one will last longer on a single charge.